Hello and welcome back to Rob's PC Workshop. Today we're going to be exploring Packet Tracer a little more. As you can see, we're going to be using the ipconfig command to diagnose an incorrect configuration on a PC. Little background: in this scenario, a small business owner cannot connect to the internet with one of the 4 PCs in the office. All of the PCs are configured with static IP addressing. Use the ipconfig all command to identify which PC is incorrectly configured. So we're going to access the command prompt on each PC and type the ipconfig all, get all the information, examine the different information, and be sure to record the IP configuration to each PC to help identify any PCs that are incorrectly configured. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to open up our computer, go to our desktop. We'll use the command prompt and we'll type in ipconfig \all. And this is going to give us the IP address, subnet mask. The default gateway is 192.168.1.1, and our IP address for the PC1 is 192.168.1.101. So we'll go ahead and move on to the next one. Make sure that everything's the same and figure out if this is the one that won't connect. Go to our desktop, our command prompt ipconfig \all. Okay, so as we can see, our default gateway on PC2 is not the same, 192.168.10.1. The last one was .1.1. IP address is the next in the configuration. Our subnet mask is correct. So let's go ahead and see if it's our default gateway that's incorrectly configured on PC 1 or 2. So I'll go ahead and go to the next PC, see what the default gateway on this one is. Whoops, incorrectly typed. Config \all. Okay, so as you can see, our default gateway on this is .1.1 and PC2 is .10.1, and our IP address is the next in the configuration. So I'm guessing PC2 from my diagnosis this far needs to be default gateway .1.1, but I will go ahead and continue and making sure. We'll go to PC4, go to the desktop, command prompt. Again, 104, the next 192.168.1.104, the next in the addressing 255.255, and our default gateway is the same as 3 of them. And as you can see, number 2, we're going to go ahead and go into its configuration, change the gateway to .1.1, make sure it's correct, and let's see what it wants us to do next. Okay. Click the desktop, check, okay. Access, click the desktop IP configuration tab to correct them, click the checked result. So hopefully, congratulations on completing this activity. So that was diagnosing network problems on a network to figure out why PC2 wouldn't connect. And as you can see, it was wireless. And I hope that's been helpful. Have a nice day.